In today's video, we're going to be working on this in the hoop mask. This one measures 5.4 inches in height and then 8 inches in width. I'm using 2 sheets of the tearaway stabilizer for this project, and we're going to start with our first placement stitch. For this mask, I'm going to be using felt fabric, and for our first placement, it's going to be this turquoise shade. I'm going to place it on top, have the machine start again, and tack it down. The next placement are the ears, and for this part I'm going to be using this cool glow-in-the-dark fabric. I'll link it down below. I found it on Amazon, and I'm going to place it on top, have it tack it down, but this time I'm going to cut the extra around it on both ears. And here's our third fabric placement, which are the eyes. For this part, I'm going to be using, again, the glow-in-the-dark fabric. I'm going to place it on top, have it tack it down, and cut it out as well. And here's the placement stitch for our final fabric placement. So I'm going to be using this red sparkly felt fabric. And again, we're going to tack it down and then cut it out. That's pretty much it when it comes to layering the fabric. So I'm going to let the machine run, create the details on the mask, and then I'll come back once we're ready to add the final fabric that's going to go in the back of the hoop. Here it is, all done. Now we're going to flip it to the back and add our final piece of fabric. You can either tape it down or use some basting adhesive for this. We're going to let the machine run and create the final stitches connecting the top and bottom together. We're all done, so let's go ahead and remove it from the hoop and remove the stabilizer and cut it out. Pretty much it. We are done with this mask. I will link it down below in case you guys want to check it out and make it yourselves. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.